How to buy gems in Brawl Stars with Google Play gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy your gems in your Brawl Stars game with Google Play gift card. So first of all you have to do is just open your Play Store, and after that just go to the profile section from the top right corner of the screen, and after that just locate the payments and subscription option from the list given below and just tap on it. And over here you will be able to see different options under the payments and subscription option, like payment method, subscription, budget and history, and redeem code. So in order to buy gems in your Brawl Stars game, you first need to redeem the Google Play gift card code that you have with you while clicking on redeem code section right here. So just tap on redeem code, and after that just enter the Google Play gift card code that you have with you. Just enter the code here, and you can also use the scan gift card option right here. Just click on the scan gift card code here and it will open the camera, and you just have to scan the barcode that you have in your Google Play gift available with you. And once you're done entering your Google Play gift card number here, just click on redeem, and the balance will be added in your Google Play account. And once the balance is added in your Google Play account, and after that just go ahead and open the Brawl Stars game in your device. And once you're there in the application, just wait it for load. And once you're there in your Brawl Stars, just click on the shop section from the left hand side of the screen. Just open the shops, and here you will have different options to buy. So just select the gems that you would want to purchase. For example, you want to purchase these ones, just tap on it and just select the ones that you would want to purchase, and after that just explore the gems and packs that are available in the Brawl Stars. So for example, I want to buy this much from the gems pack, the first one. Just tap on it, and after that it will redirect you to pay with the Google Play. As you have already added your Google Play gift card in your Play Store, it will show you to make the payment through your Google Play gift card only. So this is basically how you will be able to buy gems in Brawl Stars with Google Play gift card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.